Hey everyone, David Shapiro here with a bonus video. I'm going to go ahead and kick this off because it'll take a minute and then I'll explain what's going on. How do I give my AI long-term memory? Draft essay and source summarizations. So this is paperwizard.ai, which was built by one of the members of my Discord community. And what it's doing is, I don't actually know what it's doing in the background. You'll have to ask him, but I'm guessing he's going to keep it secret because this is super valuable. So what he did though, the source information is all of my YouTube transcripts, which are here. It's open source online. I recently updated it, and you can also update these yourself. You can clone this repo and just run download all transcripts. This will grab all the transcripts from my channel. Now you will need to update, do pip install upgrade YouTube transcript API and ScrapeTube. Because YouTube updates their API from time to time. So anyways, I've got all of my transcripts here. And then I've also got 3 of my books online. So Symphony of Thought, Natural Language, Cognitive Architecture, and Benevolent by Design. So this guy, he used all the transcripts in 2 of the books. I asked him if he could add the 3rd one. But yeah, so you can basically ask me any question online. So how do I give my AI long-term memory? And it'll write a thorough blog post about it. Here, let me zoom in because it's kind of small. As technology continues to advance, the ethical implications, importance for this, blah, blah, blah. Complex question, attempts to answer in his research and his books and lectures. Shapiro explores the potential use of neuroscience and cognitive architecture to develop ethical machines. Brain trust, neuroscience for dummies, 1,000 brains. So yeah, security and safety are a must. Yeah. So this doesn't provide a specific answer. This is like kind of writing a blog post or a essay about the topic. And you click on me. I sent him a profile picture so he can update this too. So then let's switch to detailed answer. And so we'll say, explain all the ways I can give my AI long-term memory. And then, so let's see what it says. So basically what it's doing is it's, as far as I know, it's indexing and crawling through all of the content that I've given him, and it's using that to get an answer. So you ranging from prompt engineering or whatever. One way to give AI long-term memory is to use neural networks. As quoted, we refine existing networks, embedding experiences within our brain by subtly modifying connections. It is possible that we will soon be able to render a nearly infinite amount of knowledge and experience in neural networks. So yeah, there you go. Let us test self-labeling memories and those heuristic imperatives, blah, blah, blah. So and then it will tell you where it got it. So Symphony of Thought, percentage of the way into the document. So I got some of this from Symphony of Thought. Fantastic. So then another one. So we'll ask me, let's see. What are the best tips for prompt engineering? And so yeah, let's see what it says. Obviously this is like it's new. It'll get better over time. Prompt engineering is the practice to blah blah blah. The most effective is to take advantage of the model's ability to output through principled ideation. Yep. Reduce suffering. Okay, so this picked up on one of my specific books, Symphony of Thought, and a video. Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, there you have it. Quick little bonus video. Again, everything is available online. This is paperwizard.ai. And then you can get all the transcripts and books that were used to do this, and you can talk to me. You can ask, you can get reports from anything that I've done. So there you go. Thanks team for building that. And yeah, this is phenomenal.